How to fix League of Legends Vanguard error van 1067. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first thing is you want to go ahead and open up services. Simply search for services in the search bar, and once you tap onto it, simply press V on your keyboard and find VGC. You want to make sure it is set to automatic and that it is running. So press start if it's not running. Go ahead and tap on apply, and after that simply search for task manager in the search bar. Now go to startup and then find Vanguard, and now make sure it's enabled. If it's disabled, you want to go ahead and just click right and then enable. Once you've done that, simply try and restart your PC, and that should hopefully work. If for some reason it's not working, the other thing that you can do is come here and search for run and then type in percentage local app data percentage and then press enter. Scroll down until you find Riot Games, and then what you want to do is delete this folder. And once you have deleted this folder, go ahead and search for apps and feature and then search for Vanguard. Now go ahead and simply uninstall, and then when you try and open up the Riot client next time, it's going to ask you to update. And basically that update is just reinstalling the Vanguard. And now after that, it should hopefully work. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.